Upbeat music plays. The screen shows the Buy Smart logo. Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you find the best products without breaking the bank. Or your sanity. Today, we're diving into the world of steam cleaning, where we'll be comparing the Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop and the TVD Steam Cleaner. It's the ultimate showdown. Mop versus machine. Who will come out on top? Let's find out. The screen splits, showing the Bissell on the left and the TVD on the right. First up, let's talk about the money. The Bissell Power Fresh is priced at a wallet-friendly $92, while the TVD Steam Cleaner is sitting pretty at $179. Many reviewers have praised the Bissell for its affordability and value, stating it's a great option for budget-conscious buyers. Meanwhile, the TVD is seen as a higher investment but offers professional-level performance. If you're looking to steam clean on a budget, the Bissell might just be your best friend. But if you're feeling fancy and want a steam cleaner that sounds like it could launch a rocket, then TVD might be calling your name. Next, let's talk capacity. The Bissell has a removable water tank, which is great, but it's a bit on the smaller side. Reviewers have noted that while it's effective, it may require frequent refills for larger cleaning tasks. Meanwhile, the TVD boasts a whopping 52 ounces tank. Users love that it provides 50 minutes of uninterrupted steam cleaning, making it ideal for extensive cleaning without constant refills. If you want to clean your entire house without stopping for a refill every 5 minutes, TVD has your back. Now, let's talk about versatility. The Bissell is great for hard floors and tiles, but the TVD is like that overachieving student in school. It's got a million uses. Reviewers of the TVD have highlighted its ability to clean not just floors but also grout, upholstery, and even cars, thanks to its multiple attachments. In contrast, the Bissell is primarily focused on floor cleaning, making it a solid choice if that's all you need. So, if you want a steam cleaner that can do it all, TVD is your go-to. But if you want something that's just going to mop your floors, Bissell's got your back. Alright, let's talk steam control. The Bissell has a SmartSet digital steam control with high, medium, and low options, which many users appreciate for its flexibility. Meanwhile, the TVD offers a simple grip handle and a trigger for controlled bursts of steam, earning praise from users who enjoy the precise control it provides. If you like options, Bissell is your buddy. But if you want to unleash your inner cleaning warrior, TVD is ready for battle. In summary, the Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop is praised for its affordability and effectiveness on hard floors, while the TVD Steam Cleaner is lauded for its versatility and performance across a range of cleaning tasks. Users appreciate the Bissell for easy handling and decent results, but some express concerns about its capacity and long-term effectiveness. Conversely, the TVD receives high marks for its powerful steam and range of accessories, making it a favorite for those needing a multifunctional cleaner. So there you have it, folks. The Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop is your affordable, reliable friend for hard floors, while the TVD Steam Cleaner is like the Swiss Army knife of steam cleaning, versatile and ready for anything. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our epic product showdowns. Until next time, keep buying smart and cleaning harder. Upbeat music plays as the video fades out with the Buy Smart logo.